2023 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery and your remote.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a sliding button here. We're going to slide it to the right, and then the key will come right out. Now we're going to split this remote in half and turn it over. There's a slot right here that you're going to use a small flathead screwdriver on, and you're going to pry this guy, okay? It can be a little tricky, right? But this is how you do it, okay? It's this little slot right here. Now you can take it. The remote is actually in this part of the remote, or the battery's in this part of the remote. And we'll just use the screwdriver to pry it right out. Get a new one. And here's our new one. It's a new battery here. The size is going to be a CR2032. And it's got a positive sign on it. We want that facing down. And put it back in here. And then all we got to do is just put the two halves together, press them together, and you hear it kind of click, and then you can put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.